Hey, what's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. We will be talking about crypto again. I will be briefly going over where I see the market headed, and I'm going to touch on Tesla again. All right, good people. So there's a lot going on. Hey, if you're new to the page, my name is Larry Jones. This is Stock Up. We're a page of all ages, races, and sexes. Okay, we don't care about none of that. We just care about making money. We're here for the people, right? So make sure, if you're new, to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. You've been rolling with me, hit the like button. Let's get right into it, all right? The it right now in crypto, and I'll cover stocks too, is Binance. Binance's latest thing. Binance is trying to establish what they're calling a recovery fund. Okay, and so they want to make crypto more sovereign. They want to have some money to help companies that were affected by the crypto collapse, right? And they've pledged $1 billion, and they plan on raising $2 billion. They actually want to raise more than that, right? That sounds all good and dandy. Everything is fine. That's how nice of them. But there's always a big but in the room, I always say. And here's the big but. It's the same thing that FTX did in the way of Binance wants it to be funded through their coin, right? And that's exactly what FTX did through their coin, and the coin became worthless, right? And so I think that that's a huge red flag. Me personally, you guys may think, oh, look at this nice guy. I personally don't think CZ is as clean as we think he is. Now, this has no bearings on Binance, Binance's sovereignty, or any of that. As a matter of fact, as we speak right now, Binance is number one and Coinbase is number two as far as crypto platforms worldwide. So just know that. But me personally, I'm going to continue to say this on every video. I have zero money and zero crypto on zero platforms. All right. I don't have it on any platforms. Own your keys, own your crypto. And I just believe that crypto, there's some more leaves to fall out off the tree before hard winter actually, gets going. Okay. And I just probably going to remain tapped out for the remainder of this year. I don't care if it's bottomed out already. I don't care if it trades sideways. I just don't want to go on the ride. That's just me. I just don't want to go on the ride. I'll get back on the ride next year during the accumulation stage and accumulate then and slowly take my time and dollar cost average back in. Okay. I know some of you love crypto and some of you think it's the biggest Ponzi scam ever. That is up to you. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. I'm actually personally bullish on crypto long term. But I see a lot of things that's going to happen through regulation, and then the negative response through regulation, and then big money, institutional money being able to pour in once they regulate stablecoin. And then once big money pours in, everybody else is going to come, Johnny come lately, and then crypto will move back up. That's what I think. After the dog and pony show that I believe will happen year in with Freed, or fraud is what you guys call him, Sam. And I believe there'll be a dog and pony show on Capitol Hill, and you'll see Maxine Water going, "So you knew better," and she doesn't know anything about Bitcoin. All right, let's keep it going. All right, let's go to some stocks, shall we? You know what? Before we go to stocks, I want you guys, for everyone that has a Moo app already, I want you to do this right now. So we see here to the right corner, just look where it says trading in that second column to the extreme right. Let's hit trading. And then you'll see pro is very tiny. You'll see it at the top. Hit that pro. And then you see where it's in bright white where it says light, hit light. And that's what I want you guys to start using. So now you don't have to do this again. It will open up, and this is Moo Light. It just makes everything easy. As you can see, your trading places, you see here, limit, you can go to market order, back to limit order. It's just cleaner, good people. And that's all I wanted to show you. Also, somebody took a screenshot of this and showed me this where they got a $151 Apple share. So congratulations to the person that got that. Remember, deposit $100, you're going to get 5 free stock, and then $1,000, you can get up to 15 free stock. Okay, link in the bio below. So now let's talk about stocks. You listen, you know what? Let me go to Tesla in particular. Now, I made a video last week and I was saying that I personally was expecting Tesla to go lower. Now, I knew that the Fed was going to release the minutes. We knew he was going to cool off, and I expected the overall stock market to go up. Well, that's exactly what happened. I also been consistently saying that we may have a Christmas rally, a Santa Claus rally. So when the tide rises, everything rises, right? And so, of course, Tesla's going to go up with everything else, right? And so that was to be expected. I literally doubled down on what I said, and I said that I expect Tesla to go lower just because it's going up now. Now, I do know a few banks have actually went from sell to neutral. This is from Seeking Alpha, right? And they're saying 2023 could either be a headache for existing investors or an opportunity for newcomers as mounting downside risk potentially drag the stock closer to $150. That's their bear case. Okay? And I'm the same way. That's my bear case. So it may have bottomed out at 165. I'm fine with buying Tesla at 165. I'm fine with buying it at 150. I'm fine with buying it at 135. But I'm just saying 5 years from now, that won't matter. I'm just saying I'm not putting all of my money in. Now, for those of you that's been following me, you guys know that Tesla is one of my stock that I've been DCAing $5 a day in. I'm personally doing $10 a day, but that's my $5 a day challenge. In 2023, when the hard recession comes, all of the stock that I'm $5 a day in, which I'm doing $10 a day, I'm going to double down on those for the entire year because I want to build generational wealth. I don't want just enough money for me. I want enough money for my grandchildren. And so that's how I'm investing. So I'm simply suggesting that if you're buying Tesla, that's fine. I'm simply suggesting that I wouldn't be putting all of my Tesla money into Tesla, even at this price. But as you could see, just a few days ago, you could have got it at 166. It's 182 now. You could have got it at 166. But over the last month, as you could see, it's been a downtrend, 18.60% negative. And that's all I'm saying. All right. And so I'm going to reiterate, I've been consistently saying this. I believe that we are setting up perfectly for a Christmas rally, barring the Fed in the next FOMC meeting, the 13th and 14th. Yeah, the 13th and 14th of December, barring the Fed doing something crazy, barring the geopolitical situation not getting worse, barring, anything like that, any like life-changing crazy thing to happen, we're setting up for a good Christmas rally. And we're looking at the S&P 4100 and above. It could be. And this is normal. This is not me coming up with something brilliant. This is normal. The problem is there is a bull trap. Christmas rally, and then pretty much, if you go back in history, every bear market before a recession, there's 3 major legs down. And I just believe that there is another major leg down to happen. It will be lower than the June lows. That's my belief. That's what I'm preparing for. That's why we are cashing up. And tomorrow is Small Business Saturday. It doesn't matter what color you are. Go support your local businesses on Saturday. Please, please, and please. Go to your local stores and support them. Go to your boutiques, wherever you live, and support small businesses. But now this initiative, it's for African Americans And we want Black Friday, we want you to build wealth. Take some of the money that you're going to spend on Christmas and invest it, okay? Start by downloading the Moomoo app and investing there, okay? Or the Weeble app. I got a link for both. So that's where we're going to leave it today. I hope you guys had a blessed and wonderful weekend. It was, I'm not going to lie, it was rough for me. For those of you that know that my mom died on Thanksgiving Eve. So Thanksgiving is always difficult for me, but I'm up today because I was able to spend Thanksgiving with my loved ones. And remember, if you got your loved ones, you're already wealthy, all right? So that's it. Make sure you check out the links below. I love each and every one of you. Have a safe and wonderful weekend. Live, love, laugh, and learn.